This year is our new Simplifire Triton. The cool thing about the Triton is the taller viewing area, and it's definitely a luxury product. Great options on your media, but this one's great because it can be pieced together. We're actually seeing 250 units here put together, open through, and you can make this fireplace as long as you possibly want.
Oh yeah, they're connecting right here.
And that's just the music class, but you notice it's all open through to give it one big long feel. The remote pairs them all together, so it all comes on together, and you can make this 100 feet if you want it.
That's a very unique feature for electric fireplaces. I don't think any others do that. I only know like water vapor fireplaces that do that, but not electrics.
So any combination of 50 inches, 65%, 72 inches put together to fit the exact spot you're looking to do, with giving something long and linear in an electric fireplace you didn't have.
And the controls, how do you control it? Remote control, because there is no buttons here.
There's no buttons.
And it's just like glass hallway, big viewing area. But you need a deeper wall to install it, right?
It's not too bad. It's not going to fit in about 2x4 low, but it's closer to 8 inches deep.
8 inches.